This is a video just for the hybrid for last week. So go back to week 6, click on this link. And now that you're back in week 6, click on the green one that says hybrid. And what you're going to be doing is practicing your phonograms. You should continue working on your RISE workshop. To be caught up and to finish on time, you should be complete these sections, spelling with CC, KK, I don't know why the others, blends double the S, F, and Z. And the new learning is about concepts of print. So on page 63, there's a tab. 64, you're going to watch a video. 65, there's a handout, and also on 66. Put these all together and then open up the PowerPoint. When you open up the PowerPoint, this is what you should see. Scroll to the next page. These are the objectives. Read them over. And on page 63, you're going to watch this video. Okay, and to start learning what is concepts of print. Okay, put this on page 63. It's never lining up. Page 63, and then read the directions up here. It says to read each standard and decide if you think it's a concept of a word that it's teaching versus a concept of print. It's okay to make mistakes, just give it a good guess. Okay, put those in the handout and write those on that page 63. Also on page 63, okay, there's a short article from Reading Rockets, and take a few notes about what is concepts of print. Also, on page 63, what is the definition of concepts of print? And on 63, I'm going to ask you to add these here, concepts to know. Put those on 63 as well as this. And then on 64, you're going to be putting this one. Okay. If you prefer to just make a big web like this about concepts of print, look at the PowerPoint and you could do that as well. Either way is fine. On page 64, if you would add these to please page 64, why is concepts of print so important? And then watch a teacher read a book virtually and write down what did you notice about concepts of print. And then last, I think it's on page 64. Each one, click on the link, and they're really super short. And just what other ideas have you seen or done? Add them to your notes. And this is the last one, sorry. And just what are some possible challenges for people who don't speak English? And read this and add some notes. This is what goes on page 65, this handout, and then just add a sentence. Why would students enjoy doing these? And then last on page 66, I know it's 2 pages, kind of put it together. I used tape and folded it and put this on page 66. This would be an example of an assessment, and we'll look at that in class. Put that in your notebook on page 66. When you finish, put that in the submission link, and you should take pictures of pages 63, 64, 65, 66. All right, I'll see you later.